Palangga. Today is another day and it's sunny day today. Today we're going to the grand opening of Londres, so we will be there today. But now we are still here in the taxi and we're going there. So a little bit of traffic today, but not really. So see ya there. Look at that. The weather is so nice and beautiful. Thank you, Lord. So we're just traveling, going over there. Far? I think it's not really far. Yan o, yung weather natin today.
Ay, kadagan sa tao! Saan yung tao karon? May dagana. Abotid tong bila.
Uy, the artist. Oh my God, there's celebrity. There's a celebrity. Yeah.
Oh my God, Julia! Julia!
Mga palangga, welcome to my channel. Andito na tayo sa Londres. Nakapasok na tayo. Ang laki-laki, parang SNR. Oh, dito tayo, oh. Sana klaro yung aking mukha. Oh, 50% honey. Ang daming mga sale nila dito. Ice cream, I think. Uy, grabe. Pati inita. Marang pagtong kita dito sa gawas ba. Salamat ang Diyos sa ginawa nila. Sulod kaan. Are you happy, Han? What can you say that we are inside already?
It's okay.
It's okay. I feel so bad for the people outside. Why? They're mad. You know?
Mad because
they're mad.
They don't want to stand in line for 5 hours.
And of course, sobrang init sa labas. Mainit talaga doon sa labas. Grabe. Pero sobrang strict nila. Hindi basta-bastang makapasok. Pero bukas, pwede na to. Kay ngayon lang kasi it's grand opening nila.
Coffee. Coffee somewhere.
Meron silang coconut dito ba? Yung buko salad. Yan, buko salad. Meron mga ice cream. Holding ng ice cream. Cheros. Sarang cheros. Oh. No berries, Han?
No, they didn't
There's
have
no blueberries.
They had mixed berries.
I wanna buy tofu. Banana. Wow! Hopefully they have. No. It's only classic roast. Naghanap kami ng Folgers na coffee, yung black silk. Pero wala silang black silk. So, only classic roast. So, wala tayong magawa. Dunkin. Meron silang Dunkin Original Blend. Ito, ganyan. Ito lang yung ano nila. Folgers Classic Roast. Meron Dunkin. Yung mga coffee nila, wala yung hinahanap ni Habi. Pero meron silang ito, oh. Sugar free. Anong tawag dito? Ito, Nescafe. How much kaya yung Nescafe? 240. Oh, I love the sugar free. 131 only. So, bili tayo ng isa. Oh, coffee mate. Han. Oh, you know what is this? Original. Really? All-purpose cream. $2.79. Tortilla chips. Wow.
Look at the
You
price.
want tortilla chips?
No, I want to see the price so we can
113 yung ano nila, yung mega sardines. Okay. They have milkfish oil.
get the prices on this so
Yes.
we can buy for the homeless instead of giving.
Yes.
You get the price?
Yes, I did. Dito tayo sa ano. Yeah?
Hello members, together let's keep ladders clean and safe. Avoid drinking and eating inside the shopping area. Have a good day.
So, actually, Yung pag-apply po ng ano ng Landers is 500 only. So yung isa is 250 kasi naka-avail po kami ng promo. So dalawa kami ni Habi na may membership card. So sa mga nagtanong diyan kung magkano po yung membership card is original talaga 700 pero kami naka-avail kasi kami ng promo. So 500 kami dalawa. So tag 250 each kami. So yung binili ni Habi, wow, you got chia flats wraps. Wow, okay.
Better get another one because they'll be gone.
Yeah. How much is it? It's just only 57. I no.
Right there.
Oh yeah, it's 127 ani. We're gonna buy more. Pina-anad one. Here, Han, oh. Wow, meron silang sweet chili. Sobrang laki. Oh, here, I need the
Maybe
spices.
they have the,
Yung spices. Yeah, chives. Deal with garlic. Yung bacon nilang na it's parsley. Sesame. Oh my god. This is melange. Oh, peppercorn. Ano ka itong peppercorn?
I don't even use it. I'm looking for celery seeds.
Yeah, they don't have, but they have turmeric brew here.
Yeah, they have all that.
Yeah.
Hard to find celery seed.
Oh, maybe you have no sweet deli here. What's that?
No,
Oh,
that's regular Vlasic sour.
yeah.
Do sour pickles.
Oh, meron silang magic sarap here.
They got sun-dried tomatoes.
Oh, yeah. Really? We're looking for
I'm
this.
looking for the dry one.
Yeah, we're looking for sun-dried tomato. So, bibili tayo niyan. Isa lang, ha? May Korean soy garlic ang sila dito. I have a lot of wraps here. Tapos, meron silang, honey, look at this one. Spring roll wrapper.
Oh, wow, but,
Or rice paper.
wow. But it's round, it's not brown. I want brown rice paper. I already
But
have
this is
white.
round. This is really good too.
I have white.
Shell stock. Oh, you would do like mini wraps. Honey, salsa. Would you like salsa?
I'm looking back there. I don't understand.
Korean garlic sauce. That's what I'm looking for earlier. It's a fried chicken.
Oh, it's the fried chicken and
Yeah, well,
garlic. Yeah.
So, dami ng
Here, here.
Ng What? Yeah? Oh.
Isn't that what you get?
It's how much is it? 62? I don't know how much is it. This is really good crispy mix when there's event on it. So, bibili tayo ng crispy fry. Dalawa yung binili ko. So, Panchay Thai sweet chili. Wow! Look at yung sweet chili sauce nila, oh. Sobrang lamig. Chili na chili talaga. Oh, honey, look at the sriracha. This is a hot sauce.
Get that.
Hot sauce talaga. Ba't niya dito? Nila ito nilagay. Dito tayo, kuha tayo ng isa na chili sauce na sriracha. Ayan. Tapos, oh, we had tomato sauce still, right? Meron pa kaming tomato sauce doon sa bahay. So, pero ginamit na namin yung sauce. Pero siguro meron pa tayong isa doon na naiwan. Tapos, meron pa man, you still have, you still have that one. Yeah. You still have it olive oil.
It's not cold.
Meron pa tayong naiwan na, na olive oil sa bahay. So, yung grocery lang natin dito is yung kailangan po natin. Oh, yung mga rice diri. Oh, hani adlay? Liga adlay.
What's that multi-grain?
I don't know. We still have a lot of adlay rice.
I
Yeah.
have a lot of that.
Yeah. Yeah, marami pa tayong adlay sa bahay. Yung adlay is rice siya. Pero hindi siya ganon siyang parehas dun sa ano, sa rice na kinakain natin. Oh, they got mixed fruits here. Mixed fruits. Pili tayo ng mixed fruits. Isa. Ito lang yung kukunin ni Julia. So, ito. Ito din yung binibili namin sa Sina, pero dito tayo sa Rambo. You want that one more?
What is it?
The mix.
I don't want.
I like that one. Oh, they have jalapeno honey, cassava.
Oh,
Pure honey. Look at this one. The pure olive oil.
yeah, but it has to be cold pressed.
Truffle infused.
Cold pressed.
Okay.
It's the only thing I like.
Extra virgin na oil here. Chuan Han, would you like to try that one?
Cassava.
But ang dilim.
Press right there, but we already have some.
Yeah,
Right
we
there.
still have more.
Right there.
Yeah. We still have more that one, Han. Honey, can we buy more of this one? Because I want to make some nachos.
Okay.
Yan si Julia, nakapasok kami. Galing-galing ni Julia, ah. Nakapasok kami, ah. Grabe yung effort niya na makapasok tayo dito. Uy, they have lace, Han. Yung iba ba? I feel so sad. Hindi ba nakasala pa? Hello, Pringles! No, akong isa lang. Isa lang. Ayaw lang, napa ko sa balay. And what is that bag? Oh, all the nuts. Oh, what is this bag? Look at that one. Pumpkin
It's
seeds.
a pumpkin.
Pumpkin seeds.
Yeah, but it's in what?
I don't know, but look at that.
I don't understand.
You don't understand? Yeah, I don't understand too. Oh?
It's got sugar. No
Ah, they have
way.
sugar. Okay. Pepper zero sugar, Han. Hawaiian. Sana all nakapapicture ka kay Julia. Ka Julia. Ito si Julia, yung kapatid ko. Ah, yun si Julia, oh. Ayan.
Oh, yung video.
At saka yung si Kisa
Naning
Taisa.
kamot. Ah, doon.
Ay! Yun na tanong ko na. Wow, sana all. Oh my gosh.
What a
Oh my gosh. Wow, sana nakapapicture. Pero yung sa labas, nakapapicture ko. Ay, wala kong kapapicture, pero sabi ko, Julia! Ano? Oh my goodness.
video ay.
I thought she was calling you. I didn't know the lady's name was Julia.
Julia. Yeah, that's
They
one of the
almost ran
celebrities.
right over it.
One of the same name, and then they got celebrity. Look at this one, honey.
What?
Garlic. Ano to?
No, that's okay.
Okay.
Honey ale.
Dito tayo sa Landers. May bilhin po tayo today. Lang mga dapat natin bilhin. Ito pala yung nag-grocery namin, oh. Ayan. Konti lang muna. We have cranberry here. Guava.
No dates.
Organic tart. What's that?
Organic what?
Dried plum. And yeah. And then they have organic tart cherries.
Organic tart?
Yeah, I don't know what's tart. What are you talking
No,
about?
it means it's tart, but once they dry, it's sharp.
Ayan. They have shelf han, oh.
Yeah, I'm
Dito
looking
muna tayo
as
kung
I
yan,
go.
princess.
Look at the big old things of sweat.
Yeah, laki ng sweat niya.
Hindi mo, Monster. I drink
grabe
that
ng
one.
Monster. Sarap ba yan? Ng Monster?
Mm.
Or bibili tayo nito kasi magtagay tayo kasi nakapasok tayo dito.
This one, you drink one?
What is it?
Oh, kombucha. One of our favorite drinks. Kombucha.
These
They
are
have
organic.
different kind of raspberry.
Oh,
Wow,
this
that's
is
good because it's
watermelon. What do
organic.
you have?
Yeah? I have here organic kombucha raspberry.
I want raspberry. I don't want watermelon.
Yeah, that's
Let me
really
get the
good.
raspberry.
Weird.
Very good. We get four of these.
Wow. Hindi tayo nito ano. Gano to? How much is it? 189 only. Okay lang yan. Yeah.
I'll get
Ito.
two more.
Bumili
It'll
kami
probably
ng-
be gone when we get back.
Kali kombucha. Yeah, sarap ito
I
kombucha.
want
Guys.
one now. I'm thirsty.
Later na lang. We're going to buy some dog food if they have. Yung ano yung treat ng mga aso natin. Bilhan po natin sila ng treat.
We have plenty.
Yes. Yan. Dito, bibili po tayo ng ng treat. Sana may green na sila na treat. Wala pa rin. Bakit ganun? Ito Dentastic na favorite nila Mikay at saka Sushi at Shine. Pero wala silang
I
green.
mean, pumpkin.
Hindi ko na talaga alam.
Looking for
Anong
pumpkin.
gagawin ito? Wala. Wala
I need
akong
pumpkin.
wala isulod. Oh, meron pa tayong shampoo for the dog.
Pumpkin.
Sobrang laki dito, guys. Walang Dawn. Yeah, they don't have Dawn. Yeah.
We didn't look for Dawn.
I already looked here. They
Look
don't
all the way down.
they don't have.
They don't have
Yeah.
artificial.
Walang Dawn, Han. Naghanap kasi yung husband ko ng Dawn. Yun kasi yung dishwashing namin. Pag naghugas kami ng plato, yun yung ginagamit namin. Yan.
Finally,
Oh,
look.
did? Finally, they have tied.
They have tide.
Yeah, but the other one is with
Yeah, I
Downy.
know, but we can get
We still have more of this. We have one.
just tie it alone. I don't think so.
They have Downy here. Yung mga panglaban na soap. Asan? Oo, mami, yung ginagamit lang ko. Ginagamit ni ate. Yung ginadowny food. Yung Breeze na gustong-gusto ni Julia. Downy. How about Downy, Han?
We have that one.
Tide. Oh, they have Tide this one, Han. Wow. Ako kayo nagbayad sila, George.
Yeah. Nag-endorse mo sila mo. Advertisement.
Oh. Ay, cameraman.
Namagay tig-ayos yung buhok ko nila.
Okay, basta artista. Mag-artista na lang ka lang.
Lagi mo ubuan siya. Lagi nila lagi.
Artista na lang yun ka lang.
Ubuan si Julia ba? Mulit mo nila. Mulit ang bugog Manila.
Oo, yung mga TV nila dito. TV. Yung oven nila, Han, oh. Like a small oven. Ah.
Buy one, take two.
Really?
Oh, that's what the
Let me see. No, it's a 20% off. Yung mga ano nila ba, oh? Mga oven nila, eh. Sobrang ganda. Meron pala silang mga blender diri, oh. They have bag. Lunch bags. Wow. That's good, Han. Anong, oh? Yung mga lalagyan ng mga baon. Here, oh. Wow, I think this is good too. Sobrang bigat lang. Honey. Oh. Ng mga bowl. Wow, look at that. Roaster pan. Yung pang baking. What is this? Mga ano to, no? That's good. Yung mga lalagyan ng mga sapatos siguro to ba? I like it. Yung mga pen nila dito. Merong mga pen. Ha? Haman. Yeah, let's go.
Si Rofa.
Ropa Yuchires. You sure? Are you sure? Yung mga artista ngayon. Grabe, ang daming artista. Yung mga tao ba talaga ba? Grabe. Si Julia, andun na naman si Julia. Hindi ko to alam to kapatid ko. Hala, kung saan yung artista doon din siya. Hala, sige. Ano yung mga ano dito? Double treats. Honey! Honey! Punta tayo doon. Kasi mayroong artista, mga palangga. Ayan po si Rofa Gutierrez. Sobrang tangkad niya, mga palangga. At saka ganda niya. And then, nag-endorse lang sila dito sa Landers. Kaya ang daming mga artista na nandito ngayon. So, hindi lang si Rofa na nandito. Marami pang iba. So, andito daw sila Dominic Rocky. Andito si... Oh, kanina, nakita ko si Julia. At saka, andito daw si Camille Prat at saka si Impress. Look at this cake! Marble cream cake. This is also Christmas cake. Holiday fruit cake. 2,000. Bibili tayo dito ng cake. Na buy one, take one yung cake nila. Wow, kadamo sa cake nila, oh. Almond cream cake o marble cream cake. Honey, buy one take one? Yeah. Marble cake. You don't want?
I'm just kidding. I got turkey breast.
Wow.
I don't touch her. They have different preferences.
Buy one, take one, huh? Yeah? Look at that! What is that, babe?
Oh, per kilogram.
Butterball boneless
$7.99
turkey.
per kilo.
Really? No. Butterball boneless turkey roast per kilogram. Okay, $7.99. Wow, that's the best,
Let
huh?
me see how much that small one is.
Yeah, okay. Ooh. Oh, look at that. What is that? What is that?
Turkey breast.
1,174 yung price. Sana yung kapatid ko, eh. Dami kasi artista, kung sino-sino na lang. Si Impress, si Rofa May, at saka si Julia Barreto, Dominic Roque. Oh my goodness, ang dami nila. Andun daw si sino po yung artista na dito, eh? Si Camille Prats. Oh my goodness, hindi na tayo nakapapicture kasi ang daming tao. Para mapila na po kami ngayon. So, pumili na kami na kasi maraming buy one take one ngayon. Ito, buy one take one dito. Yung mga ano nila.
You don't have my pepper?
Mixed berries, Han. Mixed berries, no?
Mga mixed berries.
What berries?
$6.72.
That's cheap. I paid $9 something for that one. I get one.
Pili tayo. Yan, mga fries. Aming fries din dito. Ito naman yung kapatid ko, eh. May mga junk food din dito, oh. Oh, they will try to, yung mga pang-bake, nila ba? Stone bake, tin, fritters. Ayan si Empress. Kagwapa niya.
Impress na more.
Ito na pala yung mga artista, si Dominic, si Julia, at saka si Rupa. And then si Camille Pratt at Impress. Nakapila pala tayo mga palangga dahil mag-order po tayo ng pizza.
Good much ta. Meron pa sa labas. O nara! Ito na Wiki, wapa ko nagka-on board. Here's Lander.
Grocery lang kami konti. Ayan, tingnan yung ating landers dito sa Davao. Maraming tao dahil nga ay grand opening dito at saka marami ding artista.
Honey. Say hi. Me, can you see my face?
Yeah.
Lots of people, huh?
Hi guys! So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. God bless you. Bye-bye!